Good day, mommies. This is Mame. So what we have here is a Doopser pink set. Ito si Doopser Best Pump. And we have the Doopser flange and bottle. Now, if you will notice, the Doopser pink set has two flange pairs, the 24 mm and the 28 mm. For those who does not feels that the 24 mm is still too big for them, we recommend using a flange insert. Ito. This is what you call a flange insert. So this is imani 21 mm. If we're going to try it, yan, hindi siya kasing fit kapag ilalagay lang. And even if we remove it, hindi siya perfect fit. So what we will do is to cut it. Yan. We will have to cut it here before the line. Ayan, may line po tayo nakikita niyan. So this is what we're going to do. We'll get the cutter. And we will make a marking. Yan, slowly lang. Dahan-dahan until makat nyo siya. Ayan. Ayan, may space na konti. So, dahan-dahan lang, mommies. Ayan. Until you complete it. Ayan. Slow but sure. Ayan, there you go. So, ayan, natanggal na natin siya. So, we made this flange insert smaller. So, if we are going to try it, ayan, it now fits well. Yan.